I am very dummy thick.
Why are you so thick?
Because God made me this way, because I am dummy thick.
I understand, but I'm thick as well.
You're actually fat. Fatty thick, actually. You're actually fatty thick. You're fatty thick.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's bad and it's good.
Do I have diabetes?
Hello? Hello? What is this place? It looks like some pizzeria or something. Smells like pizza or something. I smell a person, and I might say he's a bit thick.
Wait for me, my lord!
This place looks a bit weird, and oh, look at these. There's some weird animatronics here. There's a bear, there's a duck or a chicken, I'm not sure, and a rabbit and another bear, and
He looks creepy.
this place looks very weird and pretty sus. Oh no, it's one of those fans who likes my thickness.
I thought I was your fan who likes your thickness.
You're my second fan.
Should we kill him?
My thickness brain is saying yes, because he's been looking at my thickness way too much. Too much of my thickness. Too much.
Do you have a plan, my lord?
Let me think for a second. Thickness. My thick brain has an idea.
What is your thick idea, my lord?
I want you, thick man, to turn on these animatronics. Well, these unthink animatronics to life and attack and kill that guy who been looking at me thickly.
Yes, my lord. Okay. Password. Code. Wait. What's the passcode? The postcode was the passcode. It was. Oh yeah. Foxy is very thick.
Me too. It's like poop. What was that? Vroom. Oh! What's that in the sky? Is that a bird? Is that a plane? Oh wait, no, it's a golden bear! Must attack, not thick person. Must attack, not thick person. I hate my life. Hey, what's going on over here? I'm out. Mike, what happened? Oh God, no, I'm out. Please, let me go.